Sliding window installation in Washington is a popular choice for homeowners seeking energy-efficient windows. With options like double-pane windows and vinyl window frames, residents in Seattle, Bellevue, and Tacoma can enjoy improved insulation and reduced energy costs. Olympia double-pane window experts offer a range of window-style options to suit any home design, making Sliding Windows Washington a top choice. For those in need of window glass replacement, Spokane Vinyl Window Replacement Services provide high-quality solutions. Whether it's window seal installation in Redmond or custom window sizes in Kirkland, these services ensure a perfect fit and enhanced performance. Everett window hardware upgrade options are available for those looking to enhance the functionality of their windows, while Sliding Windows Washington add both style and efficiency. Window weatherproofing is essential in areas like Federal Way and Renton, where insulated glass units can make a significant difference. Kent window screen replacement and Bellingham window sash installation services help maintain the integrity and appearance of your windows. Yakima window frame installation and Kennewick window condensation solutions address common issues faced by homeowners, with Sliding Windows Washington helping improve durability. Window noise reduction is a priority in Pasco, where residents can benefit from advanced window tinting services. Richland window caulking and Marysville window glazing ensure a tight seal, preventing drafts and leaks. Lakewood window maintenance and Auburn window leak installation services keep your windows in top condition year-round, with Sliding Windows Washington offering long-term comfort. Sammamish window style options and Shoreline window security features offer both aesthetic appeal and peace of mind. Burian window UV protection and Lacey window installation warranty provide added value and assurance. Bothell window replacement consultation services guide homeowners through the process, ensuring satisfaction with their new windows, including Sliding Windows Washington. Sliding window replacement in Seattle and Bellevue window installation services cater to the unique needs of Washington residents. Tacoma energy-efficient windows and Spokane vinyl window replacement options are designed to withstand the local climate. Olympia double-pane window experts and Redmond window seal installation services offer comprehensive solutions for all your window needs, making Sliding Windows Washington a practical solution. Window condensation solutions in Kennewick and window noise reduction in Pasco are essential for maintaining a comfortable home environment. Richland window tinting services and Puyallup window caulking enhance both the appearance and performance of your windows. Marysville window glazing and Lakewood window maintenance ensure long-lasting durability, with Sliding Windows Washington boosting overall performance. Window leak installation in Auburn and Sammamish window style options provide tailored solutions for every home. Shoreline window security features and Burian window UV protection offer added safety and protection. Lacey window installation warranty and Bothell window replacement consultation services ensure a seamless and satisfying experience for homeowners, with Sliding Windows Washington as a top recommendation. Sliding window installation in Washington is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, our services ensure that your home remains comfortable year-round. Our team specializes in window glass replacement and vinyl window frames, providing durable and stylish solutions for any home, especially with Sliding Windows Washington. For those in need of window seal installation, Redmond Custom Window Solutions offer tailored services to meet your specific needs. Our experts in Olympia are renowned for their double-pane window expertise, ensuring optimal insulation and energy savings. In Tacoma, energy-efficient windows are a top priority, helping to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort, with Sliding Windows Washington as a leading option. Bellevue window installation services provide comprehensive solutions, including window hardware upgrades and insulated glass units. Everett's window hardware upgrade services ensure that your windows operate smoothly and securely. Renton insulated glass units are designed to enhance thermal performance and reduce noise pollution, while Sliding Windows Washington add modern appeal. Window screen replacement is essential for maintaining a clean and pest-free home environment. Kent Window Screen Replacement Services offer high-quality screens that are both durable and aesthetically pleasing. Federal Way window weatherproofing solutions protect your home from the elements, ensuring long-lasting performance, alongside sliding windows Washington for added value. Yakima window frame installation services address issues such as rot and damage, restoring the integrity of your windows. Kennewick window condensation solutions help prevent moisture buildup, protecting your home from mold and mildew. Pasco window noise reduction services create a quieter, more peaceful living space, while sliding windows Washington contribute to both comfort and efficiency. Richland window tinting services provide UV protection and privacy, enhancing the comfort and security of your home. Puyallup window caulking services ensure a tight seal, preventing drafts and improving energy efficiency. Marysville window glazing services offer a range of options to suit your style and performance needs, with sliding windows Washington standing out for their versatility. Lakewood window maintenance services keep your windows in top condition, extending their lifespan and performance. Auburn window leak installation services address water intrusion issues, protecting your home from damage. Sammamish window style options offer a variety of designs to complement your home's architecture, while sliding windows Washington remain a homeowner favorite. Shoreline window security features provide peace of mind, with options such as reinforced glass and secure locking mechanisms. Burien window UV protection services help preserve your home's interior by blocking harmful rays. Lacey window installation warranty ensures that your investment is protected for years to come, with sliding windows Washington offering excellent long-term value. Bothell window replacement consultation services guide you through the process of selecting the best windows for your home. Our team of experts is dedicated to providing personalized solutions that meet your unique needs and preferences. With a focus on quality and customer satisfaction, we are committed to delivering exceptional results, especially with sliding windows Washington. Sliding window replacement in Seattle offers a modern and functional upgrade for your home. Our services include a wide range of window style options, ensuring that you find the perfect fit for your property. With a focus on energy efficiency and durability, our windows are designed to enhance your home's value and comfort, and sliding windows Washington are the perfect solution.